Hello everyone, here I am going to present seminar on the solid state investigation of the loratadine physicochemical properties. Here goes introduction. Co-crystal. Co-crystal is a crystalline material comprised of an active pharmaceutical ingredient and one or more unique co-crystal formers which are solids at the room temperature. Here the co-formers can be either of excipient or the another drug. In preparation of the co-crystal, mainly the gas ester co-formers are used. The difference between a crystalline salt and its co-crystals lies merely in the transit of the proton. The co-crystals enhances the pharmaceutical properties by modification of the chemical stability, solubility, dissolution rate, and bioavailability. Objectives. The main objective here is the co-crystals of the loratadine were prepared with the various co-formers for altering the physicochemical properties. The co-crystals were further characterized by the FTIR, DSC, PXRD, and dissolution studies. The drug profile of the loratadine. Here it is the structure of the loratadine. The drug name, it is loratadine. Chemical formula C22H23Cl N2O2. The molecular weight is 382.88 gram per mole. State solid. Appearance white to off-white powder. The melting point is 134 to 136 degrees centigrade. Indications: loratadine is used in the treatment of the allergies, which is a long-acting non-sedating antihistamine. The pK value of loratadine is 4.33. Log P is 5.20. Half-life 8 to 11 hours. Solubility: it is freely soluble in acetone, chloroform, methanol, insoluble in water. The bioavailability is about 40%. The dose of the loratadine is 10 mg. The list of materials used. Here the drug used is the loratadine. The list of coformer used are as below. From this list, the coformers are selected based on the pKa value. If the delta pKa value lies less than the 0, then there will be a chances of the co-crystal formation. If the delta pK value is more than the 3, there will be chances of the salt formation. So for the co-crystal formation, the delta pK value should lies between the 0 to 3. Here are the pK values of these the loratadine drug and the following coformers. The preparation of the loratadine co-crystal. Here the loratadine co-crystal were prepared by using the solvent drop grinding method. Loratadine coformer solid form was obtained on by taking the 1:1 stoichiometric ratio of the solid loratadine and the various coformers by using the solvent by grinding continuously in the mortar pestle for 30 to 45 minutes. The co-crystals are formed. These co-crystals are stored in the dessicators under vacuum. The formation of the new co-crystals were confirmed by the FTIR, PXRD, and the DSC studies. Characterization of the prepared co-crystals. The prepared co-crystals were characterized by melting point. The melting points of the loratadine and the co-crystals were determined by using the capillary tubes at different time periods up to 4 weeks and were recorded results or reports. Infrared spectroscopy. The spectral analysis done for the identification of the drug using the characteristic bands and identification of the co-crystal. Differential scanning colorimetry. The thermal analysis of the loratadine and its co-crystal were recorded and DSC peak observed and the results were reported. PXRD. The co-crystal formation was inferred from the appearance of the new peaks, the change in the intensity of the peaks and the shifting of the peaks. The spectra and results were reported. The physicochemical characterization of the co-crystals, the solubility studies of the loratadine and its co-crystal. Here the excess of the loratadine, the pure drug, and the drug co-crystal were dissolved in the 10 ml of the HCl, that is pH 1.2 buffer, and 10 ml phosphate buffer. And these flasks were agitated in the orbital shaker at room temperature 25 degrees centigrade at 100 rpm for 24 hours. After attainment of the equilibrium, the aliquots were withdrawn and filtered, and these were diluted with the phosphate buffer pH 6.8 and were analyzed at 247 nanometer. Dissolution studies. The dissolution studies were carried out to replicate for 120 minutes in USP dissolution apparatus 2. Here the pure drug and the various co-crystals containing the drug equivalent to 10 mg are taken, and these are filled in the hard gelatin capsules. The dissolution studies were carried out in 900 ml of pH 6.8 phosphate buffer solution at temperature 37 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade, and the stirring speed of the 50 rpm was used. The samples are withdrawn within the specific time intervals, and these samples are analyzed by spectrophotometrical at 247 nanometers by using the pH 6.8 phosphate buffer as a blank, and these results are reported. The melting point values of the loratadine coformers and the prepared co-crystals are as below. From these various coformers, the melting point, based on the melting point values, the 5 loratadine and the co-former combinations have taken, and by the DSC and the melting point studies, the melting point values of the loratadine and the co-crystals are as follows, and the peak observed at this temperature. For these 5 co-crystal and the co-former combination, the co-crystal might have been formed. The PXRD study shows that there is a change in the intensities and formation of the new peaks are observed for these 5 co-formers with loratadine. The solubility studies of the loratadine co-crystals show that the solubility in 0.1 normal HCl and pH 6.8 phosphate buffer, it shows the variable results. Solubility profile of the loratadine and co-crystal in pH 1.1, pH 6.8 buffer at 25 degrees centigrade is shown as below. The dissolution studies, here the medium used is a pH 6.8 phosphate buffer, and the volume of the medium is about 900 ml. The apparatus used is USP type 2. RPM is about 50 RPM. The runtime is up to 120 minutes. Temperature 37 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. The time intervals between the 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 120 minutes. The lambda max is 247 nanometers. The results are reported in this table of the dissolution studies. The cumulative percentage dissolution time profile of loratadine co-crystals with various co-formers is as follows. Here the order of the dissolution rate of the pure drug and its co-crystals within 10 minutes. First, when compared to the pure drug loratadine, the loratadine succinic acid shows 1.69 folds more dissolution rate. Loratadine L-tartaric acid co-crystal shows 1.93 fold. Loratadine hydroquinone co-crystal shows 2.52 folds. Loratadine adipic acid co-crystal shows 2.86 fold. Loratadine hippuric acid co-crystal shows 3.53 folds. Conclusion: based on the results and the discussion, the following conclusions were drawn. A UV spectrophotometrical analytical method was developed for pure loratadine in pH 6.8 phosphate buffer and 0.1 normal HCl. The lambda max was found to be 247 nanometer for 6.8 phosphate buffer and 280 for 0.1 in HCl. Co-crystal approach was used to modify the physicochemical properties of the loratadine. The solvent of grinding was attempted for preparation of the co-crystals. Here 18 co-formers were experimented and drug showed the changes only in the 5 co-formers, that is hydroquinone, adipic acid, succinic acid, hippuric acid, and delta-altaric acid. The melting point IR, DSC, PXRD shows that co-crystals have been formed with the co-formers adipic acid, succinic acid, hippuric acid, hydroquinone, delta-altaric acid, succinic acid. The results of the characteristics suggest the formation of the loratadine co-crystal with these 5 co-formers. All 5 co-crystals show higher solubility in pH 6.8 phosphate buffer and lower solubility in pH 1.2 HCl buffer than loratadine. The maximum solubility was obtained with loratadine hippuric acid co-crystal and loratadine hydroquinone co-crystal pH 6.8 phosphate buffer. The order of dissolution of the co-crystals after 120 minutes was found to be loratadine hippuric acid co-crystals greater than loratadine hydroquinone co-crystals greater than loratadine adipic acid co-crystals greater than loratadine L-tartaric acid co-crystal greater than the loratadine succinic acid co-crystal greater than the loratadine pure drug. The 54.15% of the drug release was observed for the loratadine hippuric acid co-crystal in 120 minutes, and the pure drug showed only 13.94%. So that here we enhanced the dissolution of the loratadine by formulating it as a co-crystal. Here are the differences. Thank you.